cat taking the lamb. Yo. Huh? Yeah, rev it. Rev it, my boy. Hold on, kill. All the way up. Soft limiter, yeah. Alright, we're gonna take out the lamp for a ride, guys. So forward. You like it? He said I got next. Pass that one, the 360. I'm in the slippers too, god damn. Why you didn't tell me I was driving the lamb? I just wear shoes. I'm gonna take this shit off. We drive barefoot. Driving the lamb barefoot. Huh? You drive with your socks? Your shoes too big, right?
It's not even that, it's like more grip.
Oh, okay. I love the sound of the induction right here at the ears. Basically almost there. Okay. Where?
I thought it was.
Neutral. Oh, it has a soft limiter regardless. Oh yeah, it does have a soft limiter regardless. Alright, bet. We're back in park. Alright. What do you guys think about the lamp, man? Just a little short drive, you know what I'm saying? What do you guys think about the lamp? Just a little short POV for you guys with a Lambo. We didn't take it to too much corners, you know, just a little short drive. What do you guys think about it though? Now it's about to race the M340. Let's see what it do, man. What do you guys think going?
Machine.
Machine. Yo, take off, take off! That's why we got a 360. Oh shit! B58 took it. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, they sound so sick. Yo, the Tacoma racing too. All you hear is the intake and then you hear the Lambo. Bro. Bro. Yo, that is so close. That's so close. Got a big open stretch. No, I don't think the Huracan was racing this time. But that boy doing a top speed run.